Um, let me share my screen too. Okay. So I hope everybody can see my screen, and I hope it's
Yes, please.
easy for
Yes,
everyone.
please.
All right. So
Yeah.
I explained
Yes.
the basic market structure, and I told you guys that the basic market structure simply moves in highs and lows like this. All right. So I explained that. So now I'll be showing you guys how the basic market structure might look like on the chart. All right. Might look like this, stuff like this. All right. On the chart.
I can't see your screen. Can't see your screen, please.
If you can't see my screen, then it's your network. Can others see my screen?
Yes,
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 I
we
can
can
see
see
you
you
Yes,
perfectly.
yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Network. So this
Yeah,
is pattern
Yeah.
of the basic market.
Um,
All right. I don't want to emphasize so much of it because it's not very important. So now let's go into the advanced market structure. Don't forget, the basic market structure is basically like the normal highs and lows, highs and lows. And I told you that when we have those highs and lows like that, market tends to do what? Just sweep everybody out. Those things are liquidity, because we have the three ways the market can move. Uptrend, I told you guys, consists of what? Strong lows and weak highs. Downtrend consists of what? Strong highs and weak lows. Ranging markets, that consists of what? Highs and lows in a range or in a consolidating area. All right, just like this. Okay. So these are the three ways that the market can move. Either it's going up, it's going down, or it's not moving at all. It's just within one particular range. You get that? So let's go into the advance. I hope I'm recording. All right, so I am. So let's move into the advance. I want to take this class fast because it's not very complex. So in less than a month or two, you guys should already understand this thing I'm teaching, and you are doing perfectly well. The only place I feel like you guys would have little problem understanding should be liquidity, but we'll treat that. All right. So now the advanced market structure, the template looks like this. All right. We have the high, we have market taking out the low, like in an uptrend. Let's say this is an uptrend. Now we have this as the strong low, market taking it out, move this way, move this way. Most of you are not familiar with this. Move this way. Now, this is how the advanced market structure moves. As you can see, in this case here, market took out this one here. Market took out this one here. And then we have this one retracing backwards. And now we have the rules of advanced market structure. 1 minute, please. So we have 4 rules of advanced market structure based on my personal back texting. These are the 4 rules of advanced market structure. Now, number 1, there must be a sweep of the previous low that was created. If that point should be valid for you to trade as advanced market structure, there must be a place whereby price sweeps the previous low, something like this. All right. And then number 2, there must be a break of structure. After the sweep, there must be a break of structure, which is this one. Number 3, price must retrace back and create an inducement, which is this one. If you don't understand inducement for now, Don't worry, when we go into liquidity, all these things works hand in hand. So when we go into liquidity, you would understand inducements. There must be price must retrace back and create an inducement, and price must come back for your entry to hold. Price must come back to want to take out the inducement. All right, price must come back to want to take out the inducement, and then you might tap to your POI and it will buy. So instead of the normal one whereby we wait, the price looks like this. The normal one where price looks like this, which is the fake one. Instead of that, price has to clear one person out. The main one, which is the advance, one of the low has to get taken out. And then price has to break the high of the low, the weak high, to give a break of structure. All right, so number one, this thing here can also be called sweep of liquidity. Let's put it this way. Number one, there must be a sweep of liquidity. Write it in your book. Rules of advanced market structure. Number one, there must be a sweep of liquidity if you must trade any pair, if you must have any entry. This is how your market structure has to look. This is how your entry has to look. You must be buying from where price just swept liquidity. Okay, number one, there must be a sweep of liquidity. Number two, price must break structure. Hope you're writing. Number two, price must break structure, or there must be a break of structure after the sweep. Anyone you can capture and write fast. Number one, there must be a sweep of liquidity. Number two, there must be a break of structure after the sweep. Number three, price must retrace back to create an inducement. And number four, the last, price must retrace back to take out the inducement. One, there must be a sweep of liquidity. Two, there must be a break of structure. Three, price must be traced back to create an inducement. Four, price must be traced back to take out the inducement. This is the template of advanced market structure, and what I just said is the rules of advanced market structure. This here is wrong and this here is right. The market does not move this way, the market moves this way. Now let me tell you what will happen. Mr. A wants to buy.
Please, excuse me. Some people can't join the call because it has reached the maximum of 100 participants.
Exactly. I was trying to do this. It was not working with my card. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe because it has to do with crypto stuff. And my dollar card has issue. So that's their own punishment for coming late. Except otherwise, we find a solution. I have to get someone that has a dollar card, because as it stands now, my Nigerian card refused to work for anything crypto, and I'm trying to avoid being banned. My OP is already gone with some millions there. So if I should do something with my UBA or put that, it will be another problem for me. So they should just be there. They watch the video. Next time they should come early. That's how it's going to be until we see a way I can do this with a dollar card. If anybody here has a dollar card, do well to reach out to me. I will pay. So do this. Thank you. So let's continue. So I said the person that left right now, Seth, I don't know what to tell you. You just left and somebody else joined. That's so unfortunate. So I said, now Mr. A wants to buy here. Another person again that was taught that the market moves like this wants to buy here. Now this is stop loss number one over here. Because normally, now this one must have broken structure. And now this place now might be seen as what? Strong, what? Low, like this, right? Good. Now the market now does what? It comes and it takes that person out. Exactly. So this was your entry. But now market has done what? It has taken you out because it doesn't move that way. It has taken you out. Right? Now, man number 2 wants to buy here. He will say, abeg, let me follow up. He wants to buy here. And what will the market do? The market will turn man number 2 to inducement and take him out. I know plenty people that want to buy here. I know people that want to buy here. Yes, there are people that want to buy here. There are people that want to buy here. Now, this is how this one will look for the first time. This is how it might look, like a break of structure, uh, like this. Might look like this for the first time. And they might want to buy here. They want to happen. Please relate with those people what I said, my dollar card, blah blah blah. Just relate with them and tell them to come early next time. Now they want to buy here, and then what will happen? Price will come because this place does not have any liquidity sweep. Okay, one person has to be the trap for others to eat. You get me? So one person has to die first for others to live.
Oh,
You get? So since there's no liquidity sweep here, it means that this one is the liquidity sweep. Now price will come back here and do what? We take this guy out. Now these people here has taken a loss because they tried to buy from here. And what the market did do, it flipped on them. That's loss number 1. Now they want to retaliate. They might see that the market is here. They'll put their entry here.
yellow man. You can use Eversend as Mastercard, like for dollar cards. You can use for the payment of the stuff.
Do I,
Eversend or click.
do I have to use my BVN?
I
Yeah.
think so. Yes.
Ah, I'm avoiding anything that has to do with me using my BVN, I swear. That
I
BVN.
don't think it's not crypto related. Like it's not crypto related.
Does anyone have BVN?
I'm in the UK. You can send me now and I can do the payment for you.
Okay, you can do it for me, right?
Yeah, if you send now, I can make the
Sorry.
payment.
Poor Christopher. After the class,
Yeah.
now just DM me so you can do it for me, please.
Yes, I'll message you. Thank you.
Right, thank you. So now the person might say, now the price will be around not even there. Price might not have formed that one. Wait, I want to arrange how the current price will be. Okay, now the person has had loss number 1, right? Now you say this is the next demand to buy from. I told you guys, demand for buy, supplies for sale. Now you say this is the next demand to buy from, which is what? The strong low. Abi, that's broken structure. They'll say this is the strong low. Now you want to buy from here. Now, the rule number 2 says the price must do what? Rule number 3 rather, because we have had rule number 2, which is the break of structure. Now rule number 3 says price must retrace back and create an inducement. Now rule number 3 has not taken place. Why is man number 2 putting his entry here? Now price will come again and price will do something like this. Price will create something like this. Sorry. Okay. Price will create something like this. The man will say, price have snubbed me. Let me follow up. Another demand has been created. Break of structure after all. Abi, now you want to say you want to buy from here because what? There's a break of structure here already. And what? This place now becomes a strong low. So let me just buy from here. He will abandon this his entry and do what? He move to this place. Now he put his entry here. In this place here. Right? Now you say now this is the new demand because why? Price has broken structure, so he has become what? Our strong low. And then what will price do? Price will now come back now and kick him out because that place now is the rule number 3. Price will kick him out and we try to take out the liquidity, which is this is entry. We take him out and do what? Buy. As simple as that. He eats the first loss here, eat the second loss here. To him, this was a snub entry. Why? Because it had broken another structure. So he wants to keep following the market. So if you are trading in the basic market structure, you keep taking a lot of L's till you come back on track to know that this is how the market has to move. It has to sweep liquidity, taking out the previous low for buys, break structure, go up, come down, break structure again, come down, clear liquidity, and go. Trader favor that is drawing that yellow thing, clean it. Now let's continue. Let me take out this ones here.
Ma, can I ask you,
Go on.
is this totally different to support and resistance?
Who is calling support and resistance here? This is not support and resistance class, so we are not doing that one here. Oh.
Wow, really? This is really new to me.
Yeah, it's actually
Liquidity.
everybody here. This is algo structure. That's market, the new algo structure, which is what almost all the traders are trading right now. But most people do not understand these particular rules I am giving out. Most of them claim that
Wow,
algo structure, but they don't know these rules. They have to meet up with the rules.
so we're ready to learn, ma.
If you
So
don't, yeah,
this
go on.
resistance and support, is it under basic market structure?
The support and resistance.
Yes, is it
You know why?
under
You know why? You
basic
know why?
market?
You know why I said that we don't do support and resistance here. Now let me show you something. Where's that part?
Please show me. Thank
Okay.
you.
Now I told you guys we have ranging markets, right? Now let's say we have this. The support and resistance people will say the third touch we have to buy. Abi, as it is like this now, they withdraw like this and they want to buy from here. Now what is this thing to you? This is pure liquidity. This thing that you see here, market will clear them out because this is considered as a ranging market. Though it might be working for them, like I told you, everything is working for who is trading it and how the person was taught and how the person understands it. You get me? So it might be working for them, but generally this pattern is outdated already. The market is evolving. So the more things change, the more you have to keep following it. You get me? The more you personally you will see the right thing as you're trading. You don't even have somebody, you don't need somebody to teach you the next thing the market is doing. The more you keep following up, market will show you that this is the next way we are doing based on your own experience. That's why I told you that keep practicing. You would see what is really working, like working for you based on what you were taught. All right. So as this thing is now, what is this thing? I told you guys that after we break structure, what up market comes to clear it. Okay, now market might come to what? To clear this third touch here. This third touch here. Market might want to clear it. I use it for liquidity. Then continue doing what? Then break structure. And do what? Retraces back, creates inducement, comes back, take out the inducement, and buy. But here is somebody waiting over here to buy. Doesn't work that way. Okay, looking at
Okay.
this here now, the rules of the advanced market structure is not complete. Let's check on the cell templates, and that will be all for today. When we come again, we'll go into the chart for advanced market structure. I don't want to frighten you, but if you miss one thing from this thing I'm teaching in this advanced market structure, especially, it will be very difficult for you to understand the rest of this class. Go back to watch these videos. If you miss one thing, that's all for you. Honestly, this is like the foundation of what we are trading. Let's continue. Now, for the sales, we have the same thing. Instead of the normal way like this, how does the market moves? It moves like this. First of all, when it creates the high, comes back, takes out the high, comes back, creates inducements, comes back, goes back to take the inducements, and it sells. Sorry to mention somebody's name in this group chat anyway, but if you know DAX very well, you would know that this is how DAX trades. If you have seen his chart regularly, you know that this is how he trades, because this is the algo structure. This is what people are trading right now. Every other thing like this. Okay, look at this one now. Look at this one I did there. This is trend line. And if those that did my basic technical analysis, you know that we have trend line liquidity where you want to trade and say first or second touch. Market is coming to clear all your touch. Market will clear all your touch where you are doing touch. Market will just come and it has taken you guys out, get inducements like this, come back and do what? It buys. Go and observe people charts. The people you feel like are profitable on Twitter, go there, observe their chart. You will see that everybody is trading sweep, breakout structure, inducements, and then this is basically what people are trading right now. Okay, I don't really talk much about algo structure because when something becomes too rampant, now it begins to lose value. There was a time where ICT SMC was hot cake, you get me, and then it was so rampant that it's still working for people, it's working for good and fine, but people have moved on from that and now they have tried to embrace the algo structure. Like I mentioned, go to DAX chart and see. If you see that DAX is not trading like this, then you can come back to collect your any amount you paid for this class. This is how it
It's
trades.
true, man. They are correct. Man.
He will put his entry here, put his SL above this high. Let me show you. He will protect this high. He will protect this high. Okay, put his SL above there, and then target maybe 1 to 3. Simple. This is how it is. This is the sweep over here. The break of market structure. Yeah. Inducements. Yeah. So when we get to the chart, you understand better. And then this simple. Anything other than this, you are on the wrong track. If you analyze any day and you see that the entry you are using or the place you are selling or buying from did not sweep liquidity previously, just let that entry be. Don't even stress it. Let it be, because that trade is not for you. See, if trade does not fit your criteria, you don't have to trade it. All right, you don't have to trade it. It's not by force. Those people that have left, you can tell the new people to join. That's how it is. Those that leave, other people join. We'll soon even end, maybe the next 6 or 10 minutes.
Ma, please, can you tell me more about this liquidity, sweep liquidity? This is first time I'm hearing this. And this is the reason why I say that this 30 minutes is so little.
We're not treating liquidity today. Oh. I'm just showing you the template.
Just tell me more. What does it mean? You say it's sweep liquidity. What
That's
do
what
you
I'm
mean by
telling you now. I cannot explain liquidity today because liquidity is a topic on its own.
okay?
I'm just saying it because you have to write it on your book. That's the characteristics of this advanced market structure, like the rules, what you need to see before you can. Everything here now joined together is what you can classify as algo structure. This is what you can classify as
Okay.
rules to pick an entry, but you don't even understand POIs. Like basically, this entry cannot be on the air. There's somewhere we are putting this entry. Number one. Number two, this inducement does not form like this every time. There's how it can still form. That's why I said that's not the topic for today. The topic is just about the structure, the template, and I want you to find a way to screenshot this. Okay, your trend line, like just imagine this thing now as somebody wants to come and buy from here. Now somebody wants to come and buy from here. If you want to buy from here, market will just see, it cannot keep moving It cannot keep moving like this up and down, up and down. It can't work that way. Can't work that way. One person has to die, like one person has to leave. The moment it happens like this, it clears liquidity here immediately, and you see that it takes out these people. Somebody might want to say it, but it won't work because at this point whereby it hits this last one here, it hits this one here, it's just like price taking out the last low that was created, and then doing what? Break the structure of the high, takes out the last low that was created, breaks structure, retraces back, goes up, break another structure, comes back to this place and go. At this point, it has broken whatever you called your trend line here. You get me? So that's all for now. Let me take 2 questions before we go. Any question? Just 2 questions. The rest people should write their questions and tag me.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes, yes, ma'am. The inducement.
Forget
Yeah,
about it. No,
yeah.
the topic.
Good evening,
That's
ma.
the topic. I told you inducement is under liquidity. Liquidity is another topic on its own. I am just saying it because you need to write it down.
Okay. No problem.
Even
Can
if
I talk?
I'm leaving the topic. Once I start explaining inducement, I am leaving the topic.
Okay, can I talk?
Go on.
Okay. So what I want to understand now, first of all, in a trend to observe a trend line, or if we want to enter into something like that, we will first of all look at the liquidity. We check for the liquidity, then break of structure, then inducement, then takes out the inducement, something like that.
If you want to enter
Like
a
the first
trade,
step.
everything has to be complete. You get me?
Yeah,
Everything,
that's the first
everything
step.
we are looking for has to be complete.
Complete.
That's all.
Okay, that's this first step. Like these first steps I mentioned now. You check the liquidity, then the break of structure, then inducement, then takes out the inducement.
Yes. And more to it,
Sharp.
but as a class, this is just topic number 1 now. This is still market structure. We have like
Okay.
6 to 7 things that we make your entry go well. It's not just this. That's why I don't really
Okay.
expect much more from this particular one, because this is still under introduction set, but it's the foundation of the class.
Madam, I have a question.
Go on.
I have a question.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah, hi, madam. So is there any specific time frame, like we need to
Yeah,
look
we'll get into that.
this?
We'll get into that. That's another topic on its own. We'll get into that. When we get to time frame correlation, it's called time frame correlation, where we have to merge 2 time frames to get the structure, second time frame to get the confirmation, for those that would love to use confirmation. But the risk of confirmation is that you might suffer from snubbed entry most times. All right, but it is reliable other than just entering one time. You get, and it increases your risk to reward. Confirmation might be around here. You might get a confirmation around here or here. Now, instead of this thing to be 1 to 3, it is what? 1 to 8. So that's it. I don't know if you get me. So I think
Ma,
that's
this
all for today. Just
class,
one more question.
ma, this class is getting sweeter, and even your voice, and you are cutting it short within 30 minutes. This time, I wish you can increase the time a little bit, honestly.
We cannot
This is
increase
very
it now. It's topic where we have to see as this class is done. Number 1, we have to give template first. You know that people are watching these videos. If this class gets longer than this, you are
sweeting us
enjoying it.
now.
But
It's sweeting us. I wish you can increase it. It's sweeting us, I beg. Even your voice. I beg,
wait,
ma.
are you a girl or a guy?
I'm a girl now. I'm your
Telling me
fellow
my
girl.
voice is sweeting me. If it's sweeting
Yes,
you, it
now.
sounds somehow in my ear.
It's sweeting me. No, I'm married, I beg, but the voice is very sweet, and the
Oh my
topic, I
God.
wish you can increase the topic, as in the time. It's so little for us.
Okay. The time is okay. You want it to be too long?
Please, the
People are
time is
watching the
very
video.
little.
Anything more than 30 minutes, the class is getting boring. Imagine people that want to watch like 2 videos in a day. You want to come back to this video, honestly. You want to come back to this video, and you don't want to spend a lot of time. You know, you are in the class, you have the advantage. People that want to watch the video, like 20-something persons that are supposed to be here are not here. They want to watch the video. Now, when I talk too much, they might not even understand. I don't know if you guys get me.
Okay.
I know what
Okay.
Time. Okay.
You know what I think on this?
It's okay. We'll make the t-shirts. Make the t-shirts. Make the t-shirts.
30
But
minutes.
video for so no other method is up to an hour. 30 minutes.
Honestly, 30 minutes is okay for you. Because if it goes more than like this, we are going to an hour. Me, I can't even watch any recorded videos that is up to 1 hour. Oh, I swear, I cannot. I cannot.
Please, oh, Sabi girl, keep it like
Not
this.
a
Okay.
You say
not a
what?
movie.
Okay, oh, the time is perfect. No need of changing it.
No wahala. We do template one day. We're going to recharge the next time. Reason why we are not going to start for this basic marketing structure because I can't really explain it here. It's not important. Just going to waste our time. Just something like this that is already the market is still clear. So we have to go to the important ones. You get me?
Voice is echoing, guys. Please off your mic. Off your mic, please.
So that will be all for today. And thank you for the compliments of my voice.
Thank you, ma. For those misunderstandings with kids, please, I just have voice. Thank you, ma. Good night.
Okay. Nice. I did not say it's like a faith-based structure. You see the problem? I just explained based on the market structure. I think we're going to know what is the meaning of inducement. Women have structural
Mr. Killer, please off your mic.
Echoing, please off your mic, guys.
Mute everybody and just mute everybody.
people will just make my voice.
It's Caleb.
Okay, I've muted everybody. So we are done, Sha. Sabi girl, will the recording be available this night? Me, I'm very tired though. But
Good
I'll
night,
try
ma.
to post it, Sha. I've not been around since morning. I just came in around 8. It's past me, like, it's almost 9 I came inside the house. So I'll try to post it if I'm not feeling sleepy because I actually want to go and sleep. But it's all good. This one say change or what? Please, oh, inducement is not faith-based or structure. Oh. If you watch long video, you will not understand. Me, I know what I'm saying. I'm talking from experience. So if somebody said too many things, you end up knowing nothing. You end up knowing nothing. So bye. Let me try to drop the video right now. Record the use of algo structure. Okay. Rule number 1, there must be a sweep of liquidity. Rule number 2, there must be a break of structure after the sweep. Rule number 3, price must retrace back and create an inducement. Rule number 4, price must retrace back to take out the inducements. All right, that's all. The class head of class will still drop the rules there. I think she took note of it. So, or any other person. Good night. Have a lovely night rest. Bye.
Good night.